Hello, I'm Johan.
Hello, I'm Sanna. And this is Ozzy. And we are going on a long journey.
In this.
Bye.
So here I'm going to try to build a protection for shaving on the boat when the line is lying over and the storm is flying. My first thought was to have one there so the rope can go over here. But I think I'm going to put like that and like that. Screw this from the under. I can use my new table here. Well, that I didn't think through. Now this is going to shave on the wood there, so I have to have screws like that, so it's flat here. So it's looked like a thought. Perhaps. Oh, that one is a bit crooked. But we can see if it works. Oh, in one hand. Use both hands. So, could this be not too bad? And I say the edge of the boat. This piece is over. Could this be a tool for scraping the bottom? If I sharpen the edges here with a file, I'll try that. Now I've been vacuum cleaning for 5-6 times and once again, so try not to get any plastic in the wood. So half time. I have been here for 4 weeks. So now I'm also going to go to the marina and pay for 1 more month. It starts to rain. Wow, they are cleaning. Now it's high tide. Very high. So we have to go out here and along the coast here. And over there is the marina. So here is the entrance and here is the showers and in that building there, and we are going down there. And here you nearly can see our boat far away there. And in here it's a 3-legged dog somewhere, always barking at Ozzy. See if he's here today. So an overview of the path back down there, and oh, there is the boat. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe. So from editing to a walk in the sun. This day didn't start so good. but now it's 20 degrees again. And Ozzy can't wait, he's already on the dock, looking at his fishes. So we'll see if I can start my exercise app here. You can see on the map where we have been. I don't think you should be swimming today. There is even a sign. Warning, warning. Big waves. And after the storm, the beach here is half the size. So it's hard to film and go with Ozzy at the same time. So I think we're gonna have to show the town here better when Sanna is coming back. Now we're back on the dock again. And today it has not been that windy, but today the symbol for not going out over in that tower. It's a black brown thing, and you can see the waves are quite high, and if we wait we can see the waves are coming over here. So I guess the waves are at least 4 meters out there, and it's a fine of €300 I think if you go out when it's not loud. So it's better to go on board and take a beer, do some editing. Come, hop on here. Oh, hop. Good, good. Today the day started rainy but now it's sunny again. But we decided, me and Ozzy, to make some bread. So we have been inside. And here is, I did 4 of these, and there is one ready, and one is really ready with honey on. So, and one is in the air fryer. We can see 165 degrees, 5 minutes left, and when it's 5 minutes left I usually turn the bread upside down. Or else it's a little bit wet under 5 minutes left. So 4 pieces of bread, breakfast for 4 times. So time to scrub the deck. First manually, and then I have in my it's green. And I have teak cleaner in there, and I have some chlorine. Getting quite nice. But I can do it over and over and over and over again. And I have all the deck here. You don't like that? No. It's very dirty everywhere. 1 year of sailing, 1 winter. The deck there I have been taking some time because it gets slippery when it's green. But now I want to clean it, and it's gonna dry, and I hope it's gonna be good weather tomorrow so I can teak oil it. But it has to be clean today. Phew. Oh, it's 22 degrees today, but it's a little bit chilly. Chilly. The wind is a bit cold. So now I've been alone here for over 3 weeks, 3.5 perhaps, and I have not done so much that I had wished to do, because it's raining and it's been storming, and it's one day it's raining, one day it's sunny, and so it's hard to do anything outside. But now yesterday or 2 days ago I cleaned the deck. It's been dried up, and yesterday evening I managed to oil it here, not up here, because here I can't get it clean, so I have to sand this area here. And today I have sand this. There has been varnish, but I think I'm just gonna oil it and repair some things that gets loose. I started with my hatch there for the gas tank, and the Swedish big tank is a bit too high. I don't know if I'm gonna buy Portuguese one instead and put there. We'll see. Then I have the hatch, original hatch somewhere. I don't know where, but somewhere it is. I can repair that. But so long I have had mine homemade hatch a bit raised up, and I raised it up to the level of that one, but it's a bit wobbly and it's in a way, and the water that's coming up here is going down to the locker, and the locker is drained just into the boat, so when the waves is splashing up, it wants to go out through that hole, but a lot of it's going down there. So every time we have been sail and the wave has been washing over the boat, there's this salt water in the bilge. So now I'm gonna lower my hatch there, and I'm gonna put the edge on the deck here, so the water doesn't easily go in there. I don't know if it's working, but and I've been sanding up this and making nice edge, and now I'm gonna lower this one. Let's see if that's better. And I'm gonna oil it, and it's a bit pigment in that oil, so it's gonna be a bit browner. Like there, I'm gonna take off 4.5. So let me see here if it's so it's a bit better, not so high. But if I could put the edge around there, I don't know what material I should have, and I would like to have a plate over that one. And now I have to vacuum clean every 10 minutes. So Ozzy looks a bit restless, so I'm gonna cut up some sausage to him for searching. I think he heard what I thought, because he was here in 10 seconds when I opened the can. Now I'm gonna spray it out. Ozzy, down. Get down there. Sit. Eat. Good boy. Wait there. Sick. Yeah. And he's gone. Find them. So we can do that for 5 minutes. So up, back. So another sunny day, and it's not been raining for 2 days, so it's a little bit drier on the wood. Let's see if I can clean and perhaps sand and perhaps oil. We'll see. But I have so much stuff. There is a bathing ladder, some sticks that has been loosened from deck I have to glue on, and here it was full of stuff. I have that covered up because if you can see, there is 2 planks, teak planks that's been loose, and that's happened in Sweden because there we have freezing temperatures in the winter, so it get in water and it lifts it up, and it's just become worse and worse and worse. So now I have taken off, and all my wood is, every piece is getting smaller and smaller, so now it's time to get rid of it. It's too clutter on the deck, you never see. But I have to have this watertight, and there is a through hole for electric cables from the mast, and I'm trying to get that loose so I can take out 2, 3 teak sticks there and glue it back together. Clean up all this. How many boards do I have to take off? But I want it to dry up a bit first. So some solution on the cover up here somehow. So started to sand the deck here. It's a bit nice, but of course the sander broke. I have sanded the back here and cleaned it, and the velcro on the machine did break, so I have some contact glue. Gonna try to glue it back. It's always something, you can't do anything easy. Put on some blues and get to work. So now I have been sanding and putting on some oil now. Next step. It's very thirsty, the wood. I hope I have 1 liter there and a smudge here. But I hope it could be enough for the edge here. So now it has to dry. I can do it again with a bit thinner oil, I think. You see. So here is all the birds. Here is Ozzy. Okay. Huh? Run! Run, Forrest, run! Jag springer! No. No fun today? No. Oh, yeah, the birds. Get the bird. Uh-oh. One more dead bird. Uh-oh. What did you find? A bit of a block of wood. Very low tide. See if you can see here. The sandbanks are coming up over there, and the entrance to the harbor is very narrow now. and Ozzy and his sticks.
Of smiling, I like it when you said to me that we were really meant to be. You didn't put your arm around me, but I knew that you were trying.
So next week we're gonna see when Sanna left for Sweden and what she's been up to.
Still I'm writing this.
So until then, we see you next week. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe.
I had the most amazing day. I remember it always, darling. You got the most amazing way of smiling.